going to show you how to work the discounts and uplifts. So once you've started creating your estimate and you've filled out all the details of the job, you're happy with your choice of fabric and all the measurements, you click Finish and Save, and this will come to a price breakdown page. So from here, you have all the references that you've created. I've done a test here for master bedroom, a curtain, and guest bedroom, a blind. You probably used this before, and you can expand down here and manually override some of the details in here. But if you want to, you can just come up to this summary at the top of the page and apply a discount wherever you want it. So for example, for labour, let's say I just want to make the numbers a bit rounder. I'm going to give this person a £20 discount to make that 900. So you'll see here you've got the £20 off, and it adjusts the total amount payable down there. Let's say I want to make this an uplift. Let's say it's a particularly tricky job. I'm going to add £80 to this job, and you just click on the arrow to make it an uplift. This will add £80 to the total, as you can see here. So if you'd rather do this with percentages, let's say I want to give this person a 10% discount. I just put 10 and then the percentage symbol, and you can see it's just calculated the discount for you here and adjusted the total for you. So you can apply discount to all of the different columns. You've got labour charge, fabric, linings, and products that you added in the previous form, and you've got a running total, so you can keep tabs on exactly what you're giving away.